today is my birthday, so they surprised me with snow cones and friends and neighbors. I didn't know this was happening.
One of the youth guys at our church texted me and said, I'd love to do a drive-by with some of the youth guys for Kate's birthday. And I thought that was a great idea because we've been hearing that's happening a lot.
Where's Kate? What we've done is decorated cars, called some of our amazing volunteers, and have a piñata, and then we drive by and just let them know that we love them, we still care about them, and we want this day to be really special, even with everything crazy going on.
So it was amazing, and it all came together really well, and there was a few other friends of hers that had birthdays today too, so they came as well, and we got to celebrate them too. It was just a lovely time of just being together as community and coming together.